Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. If you're wondering what to sell on eBay, in this week's video I'll share with you another 10 items that are selling on eBay right now and making from 32% profit to 99% profit. All the items that I'll share with you are live on eBay now as I record this, and all have had sales in the last 30 days, and one's had sales of 110 since it was listed. And as usual, I'll show you all the suppliers for all of these items. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years, and I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. The first item for selling on eBay is a Fitbit, and these are being sold by Officeworks for $97. And they're being sold on eBay for $191.99. The next item that's on eBay is a Makita inflator, and these are being sold by Toolkit Depot for $199 with free shipping. And they're being sold on eBay for $292.95. The next item for selling on eBay is a drain cleaner, and they're being sold by Dropship for $197.98, and they're being sold on eBay for $295.2. Next are some Logitech gaming speakers, and these are being sold by Officeworks for $199, and they're being sold on eBay for $349.95. And also, notice that this seller has sold 23 of these. The next item is a gurney attachment, and they're being sold by Bunnings for $110 and being sold on eBay for $198. Next item to resell on eBay is a Kindle that Officeworks is selling for $139, and they're being sold on eBay for $229. And note, this seller sold 110 of these. The next item is a vacuum cleaner, and Joyce Main is selling these for $349, and they're being sold on eBay for $649. Next item being sold on eBay is a storage box, and Dropship is selling these for $161.99, and they're being sold on eBay for $210.98. Next is a Belkin booster stand, and they're being sold by Big W for $32 and being sold on eBay for $67.95. Next is a dual SIM phone, and they're being sold by Big W for $149.50, and they're being sold on eBay for $239. If you want to find more profitable items like these to sell on eBay, I have an entire free online step-by-step course teaching how to find these products, and also how to fully automate the research process so that it runs while you're sleeping. I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step-by-step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.